Hey guys, so what you want to do if you want to like reset X20 Pro, it's pretty straightforward. In the moment when you're gonna like open the top, like standard thing, there you're gonna find like, do you see that? Like this kind of like button. And there you're gonna like Wi-Fi probably, there you're gonna have like button, and what you have to do is like take the pinhole or something, or like if it's not necessary, just like press it and hold it for like 3 seconds. Then it's going to do the kind of like the basic reset, and then you can do also like for the 10 seconds, and it's going to do a longer reset. So that's something that you can do. And that's pretty much it. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on what you can actually like do and how to work with it. So have a great day and goodbye.